Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Preston Tensong ulayat ho. Ba katenat kadang Shong yiga Jingïalang nagabenta banyak keren Halor ke Surok Shillong Tamabil. Ha kaba ulak hot yiki officer jong katenat Nhidcl nangta Deputy Commissioner nangta District Forest Officer katenat PHE MECL ha kaba kilaya keren Halor ke package kabalai. Ha kaba hakani kahap ha ke Surok jong ke pun ursla bypass ha kaba ladet pan penti kena ya ke jing tho jing wo ya ke Surok bala menjuru na kaliang ke sorkar ha kaba an sapha no sya katna trekam bah khlido jong ke NHIDCL baru sya ke ministry jong ke road and transport ke sorkar India ha kaba ide bat ke jing menjur jong ke sorkar India lengba katna trekam jong ke geomagnetism jong ke sorkar India ban ai ya ki jaka na kaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong baku makalong menta Jingïalang kadang ya happening ke NHIDCL bat ke sorkar India bat la Aiti bat la shanya aru ye ke NHIDCL bat ke Ministry of Road and Transport ban Jingïalang bat ke sorkar India ha ke bede bat ke jing'ai jaka nagabenta ban pentri kam ye ke Surok Saulan ke ban nadu nanong ba Shillong shadu banyun bat hadu menta ke Jingïalang kadang ya bat shen ansala ban tip ye ke juba Halor ke jing slam ban sedang no ne ban pentri kam nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong baka day na kibabon ki daw namar lada uway utray unkwa bami nakajaka baro kaway ka project kan kudno Henry ka Deputy Commissioner kala pentip ba nakapor sa kapor ka jiyi kendo ya gini ki try jaka try kendo banyak keren bat ki ha kabadon na pedeng ki jaka ki baka tenat ka hap ban lek thau biang ya ki jaka la benrap uba presto
PWD department and NHIDCL, sir?
Well, we doing some review meeting relating to Shillong Tamabil Road, okay, that Chaika project. I call all the officials from NHIDCL and also Deputy Commissioner and then DFO of Forest, then from MECL, from PHE, Chief Engineer of PHE, all of them were there. We talking about the package 3 of the Shillong Dauki Road, and that package 3 falls under the Penusla bypass, where today we ultimately finalize the alignment of this Penusla bypass, and we already approve it from the government side, and now NHIDCL will send this alignment approved by the state government to the head office of NHIDCL and also the Ministry of Road Transport. This is about more or less about 8 to 10 kilometers. About 8 to 10 kilometers.
So sir, the department of that geomagnetism of the central government has agreed to part way with the land?
Right now, the negotiation is on with the NHIDCL because since it's government of India versus government of India, we have entrusted NHIDCL and also the Ministry of Road Transport to sit down with the with this particular central government office for the parting of that land, which is known as 4-lane from Shillong to Banyun, and the discussion is on, and I'm very sure very soon this issue will be resolved.
So don't you think that the project is getting too delayed, sir?
Yes, it is. It is. But see, sometimes we can't help it. It's beyond our control. Why? There are so many factors leading to the undue delay. Number one, you need to understand one thing: the land tenure system that we have here in Meghalaya is so peculiar. Because if one landowner does not want to part land, then the entire project is ended. And then, our district collector or the deputy commissioner of consent, they need to call them 100 times. Sometimes they need, the consent department has to go to the site again 3-4 times, 10 times to redraw the alignment. So these are all the issues where ultimately contributed towards delay of the project. See, right now, as I said to you, why we have problem of bypass, Penusla bypass, because of that. Some, some village, they said, no, we don't. Then some right land says no. Some of them, they said, no, we want. Some of them, they said, we don't want. So ultimately, we have to convince them, sit down 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. So ultimately, as I said, we are able to even finalize the alignment just today itself.
So with this delay, are we also looking at cost escalation of this project, sir?
For that, I don't know. I don't really know much because it is being implemented by Nhidcl. Even the DPR is being prepared by them. So relating to the expenditure, that I really don't know. I'm here just to make sure that the project has to be completed on time. The hurdles, the issues which was already there, I'm trying to resolve it from the state government side. We are doing that. And few more portions also of land which is called Maushun bypass. Again, very soon we are going to resolve that issue also, where it takes about 500-600 meters. State government are yet to hand over to the Nhidcl for construction of bypass Maushun. So these are the issues where it's there, and we are going to resolve it one by one.
So-
and even today I had a review meeting about the deplorable road condition beyond Peninsula, and it is resolved that NHL will start repairing immediately. They'll do it immediately for repairing work, and once the winter season starts, they will also go for a proper blacktopping of those stretches wherever road is constructed.